everyone, this is Neelam Kolge from Pratibha International School. So students, today we are going to study Value Education Lesson 3. So firstly student, I want to ask you, what do you see in this picture? What the tree is saying to that man with eggs? We have to fill up the speech bubble here. Look at this picture carefully. What do you think? What the tree is saying to that man who is having eggs in his hand? Yes, the tree is saying that please do not cut me. So today students, we are going to learn lesson 3, Loving Nature, a poem. And we have the same poem, Open House, and the same poet, that is Eileen Fisher. And we have studied this poem in English also. So students, a poem Open House, we have already studied about this poem in English lesson 2. We have the same poem and the same poet in English also, and here also in Value Education lesson 3 they have given us the same poem. So students, why they have given the same poem in Value Education also? What do you think? So they have given us because we should know the value of trees more deeply, and we should know the importance of environment. So that's why in syllabus they have given us. So students, you know very well about the meaning of the poem by each stanza. So today I will tell you the trees are very important to the environment, and that cutting down trees can harm all living creatures. So trees like us are living beings. They have feelings just as we do. And trees are very important for the environment. They keep the air clean. They give shade on a hot sunny day. They give shelter to many birds, animals and insects. All these creatures would become homeless if trees are cut down. If more and more trees are cut down, all the forest would be destroyed. The air would become unclean and harmful for all living creatures. Many types of animals and birds would die completely if forests are destroyed. So we use trees for many purposes. Sometimes we become greedy and destroy forests thoughtlessly for our own gains. So cutting down of trees should be kept under check. It should be balanced by planting new trees. We should value them because they help us in many ways. So students, we should plant more trees. Trees are very important for our environment. So I hope you might understand the importance of trees. So stay tuned. Have a nice day ahead. I miss you all. Thank you.